Today we are gonna see how to make a fetch custom hook in React. If I hope you guys all know what is custom hook. We are not gonna go deep into the theory part of it. So let's get started. I'm using React in Stack Blitz. So you can either follow this or you can go ahead with your VS Code as well. So let's start, guys. First, I'm removing this unwanted things. Let's just give some heading like I am using what you say JSON placeholder post API for fetching. So let's say post just just for namesake. Let's get started with our thing. Okay, I'm first of all I'm creating a new file and name it as useFetch.js. Okay, let's import both useState as well as useEffect, both from React. We needed both the hooks. Hmm, okay, let's for function use fetch. Uh, mm, we are passing a URL to this function. That will be the URL which we need to fetch. Okay, now let's create three states. Of course, one data, comma, set data, use state, is loading, comma, set is loading, use state, or const is error, comma, set is error, state false. Okay, this looks very decent. Now our this is a basic fetch hook, custom hook I'm making. I'm not going to the depth. You can modify as much as you like. Okay, no, sorry. Let's have a use effect. Okay, use effect. Have a callback function as well as a dependency array. We want this use effect to run whenever the URL changes. So whenever we provide a new URL to the custom hook, it has to run. Okay. Let's let's name it like that. Equal to async. Okay. I'm gonna use async right old school way. And we are putting the fetch data here. Okay. Now let's see what or we can do. Dun, 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 dun. Const response equal to await fetch I'm using the I'm using the JSON placeholder free API, post API. If response okay, we are so new something and run magic thing. Right now, response JSON equal to response dot JSON. So we got the data in the JSON format. Now we are setting the data. Set data JSON. Before that, when we are inside the fetch, we can put set is loading. So we have been this. Okay, let's wrap this in a try catch. Okay. Oh, let's error. So dot log set is error. So finally, that is loading false. Okay, this is pretty much the things. Okay, now we are returning. What all we need to return? Return data is loading, comma is error. Okay, I'm returning it like this. Okay, we already exported, so this looks pretty much nice. I'm copying this. See? Okay, now let's go back to our component. First, we have to import the useFetch. Import useFetch from we are using the relative path slash dot slash use fetch. Okay, that's it. Now here on whatever we copied, use fetch of URL. So I'm giving the URL also here, copying. Okay, okay, okay. This is a mistake I have done here. Control H. We are passing the URL here. Okay. In the custom hook, whatever we are passing, it will be here. In the component, we will give the URL. Const URL equal to so we got the post. Okay, now if is loading. Um, loading was if is hello return return change boss. Okay, and now we both have the loading and error part ready. Okay, what else we missed here? Oh, we have a serious part, guys. We missed the await here. This is also asynchronous part. Wherever it is asynchronous, we have to give the await. Like a fetching have await, and after it's like a dot then that old syntax. Same way we have to add await. Okay, I forgot my mistake. Now let's try. Mhm. Okay, I'm planning with an unordered list. Mhm. Okay, and data and data map post control post title. Things the folder gets. This this yes, 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 guys, we have done it. That's all. We got everything. Here is your custom fetch. See, when we have removed all these fetch logic over to the custom hook, so your component looks very clean, and it's the main advantage is it is reusable. Every component you just put this line and throw in the URL and the data will be here. You don't have to worry about asynchronous things. You know, and this is the basic use fetch hook. If you need to modify something, you can always go ahead. I just showed for educational purpose. Hope you have learned something. If you have learned, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.